All right, so let's go into this account. Like I said in that video, we are going to be embarking on a journey where we will be trading 4,000 Ghana cedis to 100,000 Ghana cedis within a year. That is the goal, and let's see how we are going to make it. Starting from this month, July. So as you can see, we started with a deposit of 4,000 Ghana cedis. That was somewhere around on the 8th of July. That is when we started this account. We deposited this money. That was the last 7 days as it was written over there. Now, so let's see how we are going to be trading this account and what is the plan of this account. The purpose of this account is not to grow it for any fancy thing, but this account is purposely for investment and investors oriented. Yeah. So what I mean is that we are trying to trade this account so that and document everything down. That is what we will be giving out to our investors if they are willing to invest with us. So now let's see. This will be our trading journal. This is where we are going to be putting every journal that we are going to be, every trade that we are going to be working on. This is where we are going to journal it. So starting from right here, we want to start from here. You see that what type of account are we trying to put up here? Is a personal account and is a live account of 4,000 Ghana cedis. So what is our initial balance? The initial balance is right here, which is 4,000. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see from the angle over there that our initial balance is 4,000 and current balance right now we have 4,106 because last week we took a trade which by grace went well for us. So that is it. Now, what is the goal? The goal is to make 100,000 in what goal duration? The goal duration is 1 year, 365 days. As you can see over here, this is the goal. That is the goal of the account. So we are building this account to that within a year. So probably next year by this time we should be having 100,000 in our account, or we should be having close to 100,000. It is not a fixed thing, but we want to, the main goal is to journal every trade and then make sure we have something to present to our investors and then all other people. What are the trades? This will be our trade for the accounts. So how many trades have we taken so far? So these are some of the trades that we have taken. The total number of trades that we have taken so far is 5. Then what is the total profit? That is 106. Some of this, out of these 5, some of the account actually didn't take the trade, so that is why we have 5 trades, but then only 3 wins and 1 loss. Then our win rate is 60%. So that is it. That is basically for the overview of the account. Now let's see how we are going to be taking the journal itself for each and every trade that we take. So if we have the first trade taken, anytime at all we are going, we want to take a trade, we are going to come here and then look for the trade. So you can see that we have GBP USD, and then on what account did we take it? The personal account. Then what time did we take the trade? The trade will be recorded as such. So this is the time, the date, and then the time. So we have the date and time as well. This is the date and this is also the time over there. What of the closing of the trade? They are the same, the date and then the closing time. And then what pair did we trade? So we can look at the pairs that we are going to be trading. All the pairs we are going to be trading, whichever one we take, we just go tap on it and then it will be represented in the box over there. What is the position of the trade? The position of the trade, is it missed? Did we miss the trade? Is it a limit order? Is it a sell? Or is it a long order? So we are going to be, whichever one it is, you take it, you put it there. Well, what is the section? Is it going to be New York, London, or Asian? So that is it. And then also the PNL, the PNL, gross profit, gross profit and loss. So whatever it is that you have gained so far, you are going to be recording them right here. And then over here, what is the market condition? What is the market currently doing? Is it trending? Is it ranging? Is it in uptrend or downtrend? Is it in channel sorry, is it in channel range, or what exactly is going on? Then we also come to the reward ratio. That will be 1:3, or 1:1, or 1:2, 1:8, whatever it is. So then we also have the confluence. What are some of the confluences that we are going to be looking at? I will talk about this confluence more when we go to the playbook, because these are all the things I'm going to be looking at before I take the trade. So as you can see, so that will be for what is it? Did the trade win? If the trade wins, it's going to record one win. If the trade broke even, it's going to record one break even. If the trade loss, is going to record loss. And then is there any fundamental news on the day? And then we are going to be putting all the fundamental news in here. So if there is any fundamental news on the day, I only use the red ones, the red box checked ones. So on Forest Factory. So that is it. Then notes. Then I'm going to add the reason why I took the trade. The reason why I think the trade is worth taking. Yeah. So that is it for now. So this is our trading journal. If you think there is anything else that I need to add to this trading journal, please let me know in the comment section below, and then let's see how best we can have it. So that is it. So as you can see right now, currently, this is basically our trading journal. This is basically our trading journal. So this is how it feels like, and this is what we are doing. So thank you so much. Let's go to the playbook that I'm going to be using throughout this trade. So for my playbook, as you can see, I trade what is it called? I'm trading trend lines. Trade trend lines, structure, liquidity, and imbalances. This is the best thing, the only thing that I actually trade. So after that, what do I do? After I identify this, for the trend, this is what I do. I look for trend on the higher time frame, the lower time frame, the medium time frame, and then the lower time frame. So everything that this says to me is what I do. So if it is trending, if the market is trending on a higher time frame, and I go and then I take the trade from, I check the trend from the higher time frame, come to the medium time frame, and then when I come to the medium time frame or the smaller time frame, this is what I look for: structure. I look for structure on one time frame. What do? I identify the current structure, and then after I identify the current structure, I look for the break of structure. I look for the order block. I look for point of interest. I look for infinite Fibonacci, that is OTE level, and then I also look for liquidity. So after all these things are done, then what else do I look for? I look straight for liquidity, to see whether there is any form liquidity over there. Then I look for point of interest liquidity. I look for all these things. All these things are the things that I look for. We are going to be looking at that later on in the videos. So these are some of the questions I ask myself before I take a trade. Is there any available liquidity on a higher time frame that is left to be swept? Yes, if there is, then I wait for it to sweep. If there is no, then I wait also. So trading is all about waiting. So I wait again for liquidity to be strong, liquidity to be created. After the liquidity is created, then I wait for a sweep, then I get myself involved in the market. So please comment on the session, and then let's see if you have any other thing that could be added to this, or if you think that I am doing well, or if you think this is a very good idea, please let me know. Thank you so much.